Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. And today I am going to tell you about one of the best iPhone 13, 14 and 15 camera settings for stunning photos and videos. Most of the users buy iPhones for camera use only, but they are not using iPhone camera on full potential. They are lacking some settings which I am going to tell you in this video. So let's begin the video. You first have to go to Settings and here Open Camera app. Now the first thing is Record Video. It is set to 1080p 30 fps at default, but you have to select 4K 60 fps for best quality video recording. Now here you can see the size chart of videos, that how much size a video covers on what resolution so you can record accordingly. Now after that, if you are facing expending light problem while recording video, you simply have to turn on this Show PAL format option and then select 1080p 25 fps or 4K 25 fps. And after this, your iPhone camera will not expand light at night in lightning conditions. Now go back and open Formats. Here select Most Compatible instead of High Efficiency. This setting helps take photos and videos compatible with your device. Now go back again and go to Preserve Settings and turn on Camera Mode. Here, this will preserve the settings you used before, and you don't need to change the settings again and again. Same for the exposure adjustment. Once you set the exposure and turn on this option, your exposure will remain the same. Also turn on Night Mode, so iPhone will not automatically set to night mode. After doing all this settings, go back and turn on Front Mirror option, so you selfies will not divert after capturing. At the last, there is New option, which comes to iPhone 13 and later models, photographic styles. You can select photographic style according to you, but best from all of them is rich contrast, so select it as a style. Now in cinematic mode, you can adjust background blur from this f-aperture option. According to yourself, it is a new addition to 13 model and a very cool video mode. Same for the photo and videos area. When you swipe up, there are some options, which you can use to make your videos and photos stunning. So that's it for the video of camera settings. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.